Hey guys, thanks for stopping by. Hey, we're in day 40 something of this quarantine, and I know sometimes the days are just running all together, so I really have no idea what day it is. But my partner Lori Bieber and I were talking, and we understand how hard it is right now for a lot of people. Now, if you're like me and Lori, our passion is crafting, but we know crafting is expensive, and it's really hard to stick to it when maybe you've got some people out of work, and times are just really hard right now. So her and I were having a discussion, and we wanted to do our little part in giving a little back. So we're going to be running a contest for a tumbler prize package. So in it, there'll be a couple of tumblers, some glitter, alcohol inks, a couple of little doodads here and there. Pretty nice prize package. And in order to be eligible, I'll put all of the information below, but basically you need to subscribe to my channel here at Michelle Kirstein, as well as the Tumbler Tips and Tricks YouTube channel. And then pop right on over to Facebook and join our Facebook group, Tumblers Tips and Tricks. So those 3 items will get you an entry into the drawing. And then if you invite all of your crafty friends, for each crafty friend that joins our Facebook Tips and Tricks page, we will put an extra entry into the drawing for you. Contest will go for about a week and a half. Like I said, I'll list all the details below, and we'll select one winner at random to receive this prize package. So again, just a little thank you, a little bit to do our part to make things a little easier on folks that want to continue their passion while we're all staying at home. I hope you're safe, I hope you're healthy, and thanks for stopping by.